Walang mga tula.
We like catching celebrities in different parts of their career. We had Marian when she was starting out. We had Marian during her peak when she was Marimar. Now, parang she's entering a different stage in her career. Like she's shuffling around with different love themes. So it's nice that we're catching her in a different time. And it's nice because she has more things to say. She has iba yung character this time. In our June issue the theme is Girls Just Wanna Have Fun. And we think that Marian's really, she has that spunk, she's really fun in the sense that even when shooting with her, we find that it's very light. She can play around, she's not stiff, may baon siyang mga poses. And it's nice because it's timely that Sex and the City is going to be out this month also. So we wanted to show that in the photos and in her personality. So we think that she's independent, she's a go-getter, but all packed in a very, very fun and gorgeous package.
Party girl theme, very Sex in the City yung look. So we went with mostly dresses, so party dresses in super bright colors or jewel tones, so that mas colorful, mas fun, and super sexy silhouettes, but a lot of draping, which is very trendy this season.
Shot her a couple of times already before. Laging enjoy. Hello siya eh. Yung energy level, yung ambiance ng shoot, laging masaya.
Party mo there.
Wait lang. Hindi, okay lang. Yeah, okay lang.
Okay yan?
Balancing
In terms of the poses, easily kaya niya gawin mga dinidirect sa kanya. Because marami siyang experience din. She can do fashion, she can do from bakya, she can do lahat ng types of poses. Kaya-kaya niya.
Kahit anong mangyari, walang iwanan. So, siguro sapat na yun para i-describe ko anong klaseng relationship yan. So,
Bakit wala siya ngayon? May iwan ka siya.
Kasi yung Victoria sa National Bookstore!